Takisawa TW.
Okay.
10-inch chuck, maximum 3 inches through spindle, 10 station turret,
Wow. Did you say 3-inch through hole?
3-inch max through spindle with accompanying Barfeeder and chip conveyor.
It's a 2-axis?
X and Z 2-axis lathe. I should have actually run all of you. You can run your chip conveyor if you like. Just from the building. See it down in the bottom moving. Now I'm going to stop it.
Okay.
I have no material to load in the Barfeeder. I could demonstrate its use. It worked.
I trust you.
Got a pretty simple program here. Just going to come in, turn an OD, bore it, actually do a threading operation, and then just part it off.
Okay.
Again, max spindle speed on these with the chucks is 2,500 RPM. If you take the chuck off, put on a spindle closer, you can get a higher RPM. You have to check the specification.
Okay. And this one is set up to just continuously run so you can watch it through 2 cycles. Okay, thank you. And the size of the diameter of the chuck, did you tell me that? I think you said.
Yeah, this is a 10-inch chuck with a maximum through spindle of 3 inches. 10 station turret. Tailstock as well.
Do you ever use the tailstock?
I have yet to use it, however, it has been actuated, so I do know that it comes out. And it's been plugged, so it's probably clean in there. Just never had occasion to use it myself.
How long have you owned this one, Hugh?
About new.
What year was that?
I think, I'm not sure, 1999.
So you bought it new in 99, 2000? All right.
Here, date 1998. Date of manufacture.